Let's look at this JAMB past question for physics 2018, question number 31. The process whereby a liquid turns spontaneously into vapor is called A. Regelation, B. Evaporation, C. Boiling, D. Sublimation. So now, what is the process whereby a liquid turns spontaneously into vapor? Now, for us to get it into context, I'm going to be defining each of the following words that we have. Number one is regelation. What is regelation? Regelation is a phenomenon of melting under pressure. So when there is melting under pressure, we call it regelation. And not just melting, there is also refreezing. So when there is melting and refreezing under pressure, whenever the pressure is reduced. So regelation happens due to pressure, and it happens when pressure is reduced. There is what we call melting and refreezing. That is what regelation is. Then evaporation is actually the spontaneous turning of liquid into vapor, which is this definition. That's the definition of evaporation. Whereas boiling is what happens at a particular temperature. Boiling happens at a particular temperature. For water it is 100 degrees Celsius, and here also in boiling, liquid also turns into vapor, but happening at a particular temperature, unlike in evaporation, whereby we have the spontaneous turning of liquid into vapor. Now, sublimation is when a solid, instead of going through a liquid before a gas, goes straight into a gas. So if you have solid phase going straight into gaseous phase, then we'll call it sublimation. So from all this definition, we can see that B is the right answer for this. Evaporation is the process whereby a liquid turns spontaneously into vapor. Thank you.